Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So this is Miss Lisa. Today I am trying out a potato stew kind of bake or whatever you want to call it. I don't really know what you call it, but I feel like with my taste palette, I feel like it's going to be really good. So I already cut up some potatoes and some mushrooms. I'm about to cut up the rest of these mushrooms. I like the taste of mushrooms. Pepper, some peppercorn, some regular corn, no salt added, some minced garlic that came in the can, an onion, some cream cheese, some cheap cream cheese, some adobo, and I am also going to put in it some Parmesan cheese. Some grated Parmesan cheese, which is kind of low in salt. I'm trying to watch my salt intake. So, I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the Copper Chef. And I'm going to bake it probably at 350 for about 45 minutes. See how tender the potatoes are. And, oh, did I say onion? I'm going to put an onion in it too. Nice all vegetables. And I'm going to cook it at 350 for 45 minutes and see how it turns out. So this is about a half a block of Parmesan cheese. Cream cheese. And I only use about half a can of whole kernel corn, no salt added. And I'll be back. Okay, so I have chopped up the cream cheese. I'm gonna put this on top of it because I want it to like melt down. So what I'm about to do is add the garlic. I don't know, that's a nice good tablespoon, I guess. And I'm gonna mix this around. Careful not to scrape your pan because you know it's non-stick. I feel like it might need some more. I like a lot of garlic in my food. So, about 2 tablespoons, maybe. Get all nice and incorporated. Because I want that to be nice and garlicky. And I'm going to put in the adobo. So, it says serving size, a fourth a teaspoon for 350 milligrams of sodium. Salt, garlic. I already got salt. Garlic. So turmeric, black pepper, and oregano. So I'm gonna just sprinkle this up here. That's about a tablespoon, so to speak. So it's a hefty amount, I guess. And some pepper. I already grinded this up. It's a nice little. So I'm not going to put this much pepper in it. Just a little sprinkle because I don't want it too spicy. And the Parmesan cheese. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a quick toss with the plastic spoon. Because I want it to really... I might add a little water to it because I'm not adding no oil or any butter. So I'm going to add probably like just a little bit of water just so it can steam. And I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese because I want the Parmesan cheese and the cream cheese to like sit on top. So I guess you can call this like what do you call it? An Alfredo kind of sort of bake, potato bake. that is the Parmesan cheese. I think I'm gonna mix it. I didn't put a little bit more on top. Oh, yes. Ooh, smells good. Okay, that looks nicely, evenly distributed. Nicely coated. Okay, let's do one more little sprinkle. Sprinkle dinkle on top. I didn't add any extra salt, so all the salt is going to come from the ingredients. Okay. And like I said, I just want to add the cream cheese on top. So I feel like I'm just going to, just try and just cut them up into chunks. I don't know how this is going to melt in. It's going to definitely melt in. This looks like it's going to be enough cream cheese too. This is my first time making this, so bear with me. First time doing a food video. I just felt like y'all should see what I be whipping up in the kitchen. And I think this is going to be so good. It smells good already, so I know it's going to be good. So I got about I got 3 potatoes, 3 medium-sized potatoes, 4 mushrooms, a quarter of an onion or half an onion, garlic, corn, half a can of corn, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and cream cheese, and pepper, and adobo seasoning. And I'm going to put this in the oven as soon as I get my cream cheese down. I got a little bit left to go, so. My camera does what it wants. Of course. Who camera doesn't? Okay, so now that's down. We're going to put the top on. Oh, water. And I probably just do like maybe a quarter cup. Maybe a third cup of water. Half a 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 cup of water. Pour it in on the side. I don't want my Parmesan cheese to come off. Okay. Let's put the top on. Copy show, do your thing. Put it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. It is 9:28, so about 10:15 I'll be back. Hey, I'm back, so it is 9:58. Oh, excuse me. And it is starting to bubble. So I'm gonna take it out. And this is heavy. Let's get a better grip on it with actually. And I'm going to I'm gonna mix it up because the cream cheese is starting to melt some, but I want to help it out a little. So I'm gonna give it a light stir. Maybe I shouldn't have put a half a cup in it. But that'll steam out. That'll steam out. Let's mix it up. Give it a nice light mix. Okay, that looks about right. And we're gonna let it work the rest of the way. So it might actually be in there for longer than 45 minutes. Because I want my potatoes to get really soft. I like my potatoes soft, like almost like mash. So I'm gonna put the top back on it and put it back in the oven. It's 10 o'clock now, so we're gonna let this cook till 10:30. 10:30. See you later. Alright, so it's bubbling and it's looking nice and creamy as it should. So I feel like I'm going to go ahead and take it out. Oh, it kind of looks done. It looks quite done. It's nice and creamy. I'm going to take the top off. Don't burn my face off. Just take the top off. Let's get a fork and let's check the tenderness. Ooh, it's tender. They are tender. Okay, so I'm going to take the top off. Yeah, that's done. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's done. That is done. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the top off, and I want it to get like a nice, see that crispy right there? I want to get that on top. You know, like these little cheeses and stuff like that. Oh yeah, all the cream cheese ain't break down too much. So I'm gonna put it on broil. Broil. This is hot. Yes. Put the glove back on. Sit it back in there. I'm gonna do it for about, let's see, broil 3 to 5 minutes. So it's 10:28, 31, 32. I'm gonna go ahead and check on it, and I'll be back. I wish we had smell-o-vision, because it smells so good. It's really doing its thing. Nice and creamy. Okay, it's getting a little brown. Let's see if I cover this light up for a second. Let's see. Not the camera, just the light. It's getting a little brown. So, I'm gonna give it like 2 more minutes. Smells really good though. Yeah, it's browning up. And that's 34 after. Let's get a nice crunchy coat on top. Yeah, let's let it do 2 more minutes. I like mine brown. Okay, that's looking pretty good, pretty done. So, let's take it on out. Ooh. You hear it? We're going to let this rest for about 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. So at 10:40, we're going to plate it and taste it. Okay, so it is 10:44. I'm going to go ahead and take a nice little corner. Ooh, we got a nice crispy, cheesy crunch. This is hot. So we're going to leave the towel on the handle so that won't nobody touch it. They'll know it's hot. And put this right here for a second. Try to see this. Can't take it out. Nice. I love Copper Chef. Nice and plated. And that's what it looked like. on the plate. I want this. Definitely want that. Now I'm going to taste it to see what it tastes like. Probably need some salt, but I'm gonna low salt. No added extra salt. Still hot and steaming. I want to put my face in the camera. Creamy. Parmesan. Corn. Mushrooms. Garlic. Oh, it don't need no salt. It don't need no extra salt. They probably just need some red chili pepper flakes, but other than that, you guys will enjoy that. That tastes really good. That is really, really good. Yes. My taste palette never fails me. So, if you like this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. Share and subscribe to my channel. This is Miss Lisa. Bye, YouTube.